Hi, I'm Heidi Copeland, a Family and Consumer Sciences Extension Agent with the University of Florida IFAS Extension. Oftentimes during the holidays, Extension agents are asked about ingredients used for baking. One such ingredient is the leavening agent, baking powder versus baking soda. Often the question is, can I substitute one for the other? The answer, unfortunately, is no. Baking soda, chemically known as sodium bicarbonate, is a gritty substance that reacts quickly with an acid to make your baked goods rise. An acid can be something as simple as a lemon juice or a buttermilk. Baking powder, on the other hand, is a combination of ingredients. It has both acids and bases and salts in it, and this also helps a baked product rise, but it is done slowly over time, whereas the sodium bicarbonate or the baking soda is very, very quick acting. So again, in the pantry of staples, you should have two different products, baking soda and baking powder, and don't confuse the two. Often, also, we see egg whites used as leavening. What happens with an egg white is this is 3 large egg whites that I whipped with just a standard wire whisk, and this also will help leaven products. So you see sometimes this is added to cakes because this will help the cake stay light and fluffy because it adds air and some steam to the baked product. So again, there are different types of leavening ingredients used for baking. Most commonly though, we use baking soda and baking powder, and they should not be confused. Thank you.